Okay, so these are mini Venus readings. We are going to go according to your Venus sign. If you do not know your Venus sign, I would go by your moon sign. Venus is the sign that reveals our approach to romance, compatibility, beauty, so who you're attracted to, etc. And I am going to read Aries first. And if you are an Aries Venus sign, you like bold, direct, and passionate approach to romance. So this is for my Aries Venus sign or moon sign if you do not know your Venus sign. But I am going to start, as always, with my Lenormand deck and then a tarot side by side. And I will finish with a What's the Tea? Again, these are mini Venus readings. So the first one is how they see you in this connection, and then how you see them or why you're drawn to them. And then the final one is outcome of the potential connection. And then I will do what's the tea. So how they see you is they see you as someone who can stay strong in times of challenges. You can overcome challenges, and um, if there's anything sort of risky or challenging around you, you know when to speak up or when to, sort of let it roll off your back kind of thing. So they see you as someone who has strength in times of challenge. Why you're drawn to them is that they, well, you might see them as someone strong. Maybe they have a strong build as well. Like you see strength in them, and someone who can balance you in these times of challenge. So you look to them for strength. So you both see a strength in each other, sort of thing. And then the outcome of this relationship is that it's there's good energy. There's um, bright light, optimism, energy around there. As long as you don't allow ego to get in the way, because you both see each other as someone who is strong and has a lot of strength. You can sometimes go head to head. So this connection is strong and protected as long as you don't allow your ego to overshadow the other one. And that's something you both have to take into consideration. Otherwise, it will sort of put out that bright light in sunshine. So let's see what the tea says about this connection for my Aries, Venus, or moon sign. Moving on, thank you, next. Huh. Well, that's some tea for sure, because it seems like there is strength. You both give each other strength, and there's a lot of great energy here. So um, maybe this is someone that is not um, a long-term connection, but a quick fiery connection where you both teach each other to be stronger than you were before. You have a lot of bright energy, but again, if you let that ego get in the way, it might be a for now and not for long kind of connection. But I do think that there is the opportunity. This is totally up to you, because you both are so strong. Um, maybe you both are a fire sign, and you have to balance that out in order for this to last. So of course, every time with tarot, it's all up to you and what you decide to do. But um, if you want it to last, don't let it fizzle quickly by letting ego or the strong egos clash. Don't let them clash, and then it is something that can be a bright light. If you let the egos clash, then it is going to be a quick fiery relationship and burn out too fast. Okay, that's for my Aries, Venus, or moon sign if you don't know your Venus sign. But keep a lookout for those egos in this connection. Like, comment, share if it resonates with you, and I will move on to my next one.